Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about an essay. So our first essay topic is myself. I think this short will be help you to introduce yourself to another person. And after that you can write your essay about yourself. Okay, so let's move to our essay. First of all, you have to introduce your name. My name is Piyumika Nuwarapaksha. After that, you have to introduce your age. I am 12 years old. I am 10 years old. Like that, you can mention your age also. After that, you have to mention the place you live. I live in Kandy. I live in Matale. I live in Pilimatalawa. Like that, you can mention. Okay, next one. My school. My school is Parakum Vidyalaya. Or else you can say Parakum Vidyalaya is my school. I am in grade 6. If you are in grade 7, you can say I am in grade 7 like that. Or else we can combine two sentences like that. I am in grade 6 at Parakum Vidyalaya. Next, you can describe your parents' details also. My father is a businessman. He is Upali. My mother is a teacher. She is Pushpa. I have two sisters and one brother. Think you have two brothers? How you say? I have two brothers, like that you can say. Next one. My hobby is reading a storybook. You can mention your hobby because the hobbies are different from one person to another person. If your hobby is gardening, you can say my hobby is gardening, like that. If you have two hobbies, you can say my hobbies are, like that you can mention. My hobbies are reading storybooks and writing poems, like that you can say. Next one, favorite color. Favorite color is also depends from one person to another. So we mention the favorite color blue. My favorite color is blue. Next one. If you have two favorite colors, you can say my favorite colors are blue and red, like that. Next one, favorite subject. My favorite subject is English. If you have two subjects, you can say my favorite subjects are English and maths, like that you can mention. Last one, you have to mention your ambition. I want to be a teacher one day, or else you can say my ambition is to be a teacher.